It's at Love Clark. First, Google bought Boston Dynamics robots. Now they're a terrifying bad idea for humanity. Google to sell Boston Dynamics robots. Crunch Report. What is the deal? Is there a cover-up? Are they just pretending not to own it or not to be involved with it once it starts, so they don't want their name tangled up with all the murder these robots are going to commit with their shiny metal asses? Okay? Now, let's check this out.
Every day you read headlines about businesses being hacked and intellectual property being stolen. That is cybercrime, and it affects each and every one of us.
Skip this ad, huh?
Hello and welcome to Elite NWO Agenda on YouTube. Boston Dynamics, the robot and military artificial intelligence creator that has made waves over the past 2 years due to its release of videos depicting more and more advanced robots. Some of the more recent videos had people comparing the Google-owned company to abusing the robots in their films, which, some joked, would lead to a robot rebellion a la Terminator. Alphabetic Incorporated, which is Google's parent company, fear that the company may fail to make money in the company. TechCrunch reports, adding that Amazon and Toyota are interested in acquiring the company. But even more interesting, internal messages at Google shows that the company itself is a bit scared by Boston Dynamics. We've all watched Boston Dynamics video last month with mixed feelings. There was a bit of excitement, sure, but also a lot of terror. These humanoid robots can fall and stand up again like in Terminator. Google is a big company with tens of thousands of workers, and these issues became apparent when meeting notes and private emails were published on an internal forum. All Google employees could see this exchange, and that's how Bloomberg's Brad Stone and Jack Clark got tipped this story. There's excitement from the tech press, but we're also starting to see some negative threads about it being terrifying, ready to take humans' jobs. Google Director of Communications for Google X Courtney Hon wrote in a private email that was later copied on this not-so-private Google forum and obtained by Bloomberg. We don't want to trigger a whole separate media cycle about where BD really is at Google. She later wrote, "We're not going to comment on this video because there's really not a lot we can add, and we don't want to answer most of the Cusick triggers." Google Director of Robotics Sarah Netzinger said that working with Boston Dynamics was a bit of a brick wall. The Replicant project was reportedly shut down in December, with Google...
Now, you wouldn't know from afar if that was a hazmat guy in a suit doing exercises or not. It's a robot inside that. See?
So, what do you think about that? Will robots in the future be like the movie AI and be the police force for humanity, controlling our every move for Big Brother? Elite as part of the Great New World Order agenda.